Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can open a demo account on TradeStation so you can practice trading without risking real money. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course make sure that you actually have this feature on your country and that you actually have the full version of the website so that you will be able to see this feature. So once you're on the official TradeStation site, you should see an open a demo account here. So once you see that, you will just have to click that option there, and then once you click that, you will fill in your personal information such as your name, your email, your phone number, and country, and then you will just have to create a username and password for your demo account. Then you will choose your preferred account for demo trading and agree to the terms and conditions and submit your registration. Then you will just have to check your email for the demo account login details, and of course now you will just have to log into uh your demo platform and start practicing with virtual funds. And that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.